In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit your WooCommerce emails. I'm going to show you some plugins that will allow you to drag and drop and edit your emails, and some to help you demo and view those emails once you change them. So here we are in the back end of my development site. If you go to WooCommerce settings and then head over to the email tab, you scroll down, we've got some various sections here. So you can set the from name, who you'd like your emails to be sent from, the address that you're going to send your emails from, you can put a header image in, so if you wanted to put your logo in, you can put some text in the footer and change the various colors. So they're fairly basic options. You can also make changes on a per email basis. So for example, if we're going to look at the on hold, click on manage. So we can change the subject, the email heading, etc, etc. What we can also do is we can edit the actual template file. We're straying off course a little bit here. If you need to edit a template file, it's probably more in a developer's territory rather than something an everyday WooCommerce site owner would do. But here we have, let me step back. I've copied that template file to my local theme so we can edit it without impacting anything in WooCommerce, and then we can go in here and edit it. So I know this is all in code, but if you understand how to code, you could then put in like that, and we'll save that. And that little line of text has been added to my on hold email. What I've done is I've installed a useful little tool called WooCommerce Preview Emails. I'll give you a link in the blog post that accompanies this tutorial, but essentially what it allows us to do is preview and look at what a particular email looks like. So we've just edited the on hold, choose any order, click on submit, and we can see what an email looks like, and that's a little bit of text I've just added there. Now, editing template files isn't for everyone, but there is a plugin out there that will allow you to make changes, and it's called Yamail. Again, I'll include a link to this tool in the blog post. So if we go back to our settings, emails again, the more observant you might have noticed this button. So if we go back to our on hold and we'll click on customize with Yamail, it gives us a nice little drag and drop editor for our emails. So let's say that we want to put in a little box underneath the order with an image of a product that we sell, like this. So we can then use this little drag and drop tool. Perhaps we want to add a button in to link to that new product. You get the idea. It's a nice little drag and drop editor to allow us to customize our emails without having to edit those templates. Really, really useful, I think. Just a little note on the width of emails. I would leave that. I wouldn't try to increase the width of any email. The reason it's been set so narrow is a lot of hard work to find out the optimum width for all the email clients out there. It's about 500, 600 pixels in width, but it's been tested and that'll work with Gmail, Outlook, and all those emails out there. So don't mess about with the width, just go with what we've got. we'll save that. And then go back to our preview emails. There we have our customized drag and drop template in place with our buy product button. So those are several ways you can edit your WooCommerce emails. Have fun customizing. So that's the end of this tutorial. What I'd like to do is offer you free access to one of my WooCommerce optimization workshops. If you go to neilmatthews.com/coupon, you can download a free coupon to get access to one of my pre-recorded workshops. In my workshops, I cover topics where you can increase sales from your WooCommerce store. Things like cart abandonment recovery, social proof, reducing checkout friction. So check that out if you'd like to have a look over one of those free workshops. Contact me at neil@neilmatthews.com. And last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.